Hi friends, in today's quick learning, we will go through the pivot table case study. Here are set of three questions, and here we can see set of data having date, customers like new or existing customers, movie genre like fantasy, drama, comedy, science fiction, and regions of India like North, South, East, West. Okay, platforms like Disney, Hotstar, Netflix, Amazon Prime, and sales for those platforms from those platforms. Okay, so we will be creating a pivot table using this data. First question is what? Like, what is the daily total new customers region wise? Second is how many movies released across platform? And what type of third question is what type of movie genre did good sales platform wise and date wise? So here is question number one, question two, and question three. So all questions are placed in separate sheet and we are going to create pivot table in separate sheets. Okay, so for that you will click under insert pivot where you want to create under existing worksheet. So existing worksheet and question first. So I want to create pivot table somewhere here or below this. Okay, existing worksheet. Okay, so what is my question? I need what is the daily total new customers region wise. I want to find how many customers are there, new customers are there as the region wise, and daily. Daily means you need as per the date. Okay, so under date you can see months, days, year. So whatever format you want, you can select that. So we will go as per the days. Okay, if you don't want, you can bring it back or you can do right click and delete, remove that field. I'm just bringing it back. So we need as per the date and region wise and the new customers. So customers are here. Okay, I'm putting here new like it this way, and we want total number of new customers region wise, different region wise. So for regions, you will go regions as per India, and you need total number of customers. So customers will come under value. If you select any column which is having text, like here you can see customers are having text like new or existing, and sales amount is having amount. Now coming to that question, if I select here sales amount, then I will be getting the numbers. Why? Because sales is numbers. I'm bringing it back. And if we select customer, customer is what? Text. So customers, automatically Excel will give you option as count. It will not show you as sum. Okay, so that goes with the text. So here's the solution for your question, which goes as what is the daily total new customers region wise. So new customers, under customer you will select the option as new. Region wise new customers are this many. Okay, now you can see here some options are blank. Now blank seems like not that optimum or like correct one. So to correct this exactly, like it should be 0 or 1 or any numbers, what you will be doing, right click on this pivot area and go to the pivot table option. Here you have option as report, under which option, like layout and format. Under layout and format we can see report filter fields as per column. Report filter fields as per column, not this. We will we will move to this one called as for empty cells. For empty cells, this one is showing as 0, not 0, as a blank. So instead of blank, you will add here 0. Or you can write any text like NA, not applicable, like that. So 0. So those blanks are changed to 0. Now let's move to the second question, which is How many movies released across platform? So how many movies are released across platform? Same, you will go to the pivot, insert, pivot table. You will insert in existing worksheet. Location is question number 2, somewhere here. Okay. We want how many movies are released across platforms. So how many movies are released? You will go as per the movies here, or you can place movie here if you want like this. Movies and across platforms. I'm placing platforms here. Okay. Movies and platform. Now how many movies are released? So you will select that movie genre once again and move it to values. Once you move this to value, it will automatically give you the count. Why count? Because movie genre is the text option. See here, movie genre, drama, science fiction, comedy, and so on. Text option, that's the reason it gave you the count. Okay. Now to change this count as if you want, no need to select. If you want, you can do right click here only. Pivot table option and same layout format for empty cell you want to show as, if you want to show as NA, then you can write here NA or 0. Even you can use this option. Now let's move to the last one. Question is, what type of movie genre did good sales across platform and date wise? So same, you will go to the table, insert, pivot table, existing worksheet, question number 3, click anywhere where you want to create the pivot table and OK. What type of movie genre did good sales? So movie genre will come here, across platform here and date wise. Okay. So I'm just placing here movie genre here. If you want, you can place here. Then you need as per the date wise, so you can select here. Date should come here. From date, I need date wise, day wise. So I will just remove that and date, complete date. Okay. Now I want how many movies are did the sales. So sales amount will come here. Okay. So sales amount like this. These are the sales across platform and date wise. And if you want to remove like a blank, change that blank to 0, pivot table option, empty cells for if you don't want to display the empty cell, you can remove that too. So empty cells are removed and automatically the numbers are changed to 0. Or you can go to the pivot table option and empty cell value as 0. Okay. Thank you for watching.